What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do something different. Today we're going to do an unboxing for a laptop, but before we do that, I just like to thank this laptop that I was using before. It's not yet broken, but then it's going to be changed for now. So this is the laptop I was using before. So it is the Acer Aspire VX. So I'd like to mention that this is the first laptop that I was using for most of my streams on my page of Fort Phoenix, and here's where I edit my videos and all. So as you can see, we have to move on, I guess. Not just kidding. But then again, for those who have continued to support, this is what I was using, and we are going to use another one, as what my sisters have said. Version 2, Fort Phoenix version 2, we don't know, and whatever happened before that I needed to take a rest, maybe it's the reason to have a version 2. But then again, here we go, guys. This is the laptop, and we're going to say goodbye. Alright guys, welcome back again, and here we are going to do the unboxing of the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming laptop. So it was I'm really excited for this one. This is my first unboxing video that I'm going to do, and that I'm going to post. Actually, I don't usually post some videos like this, but today we are going to post the unboxing of the Ideapad Gaming. So let's get to it. Hope you enjoy. And like, I am going to be a little small version, so alright, so here we have the Ideapad Gaming. So this is the box. It's a little heavy. You're seeing it's bigger. Yeah. But then yes, this is the one. Alright, so see, this is the box, this is the back. You'll see the Lenovo right there. You'll see the Lenovo also right here. Scan that. And this is the Ideapad Gaming laptop. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut off the sticker. So we have my handy scissors. Alright, so here we go. So this is the scissors. Okay. So usually I save the stickers, but this time I'm going to be using the laptop. I don't want to save it. Alright. Interesting. Alright, so we take out, it's going to be a big, so there's two parts. Alright, so we're going to take the parts out. So we'll stand first. My god, this is the wrong way to unbox. If you're doing this, please be much more careful than me. Yay. I hope I didn't break anything. Alright, so yeah, we have a power supply. This is a power cord. Safety warranty guide. Alright. And we have the big charger. There we go. So it's Lenovo. Alright. And the box. You see right there. Okay. So here we go. Alright. So we're going to put this in here first. Charger here. Warranty. And yeah, this is the Ideapad Gaming 3 15 inches version 05. You can see it right there. So here we have the charger. First one. Alright. So you can see it. We're just going to put the charger right here, guys. So you'll also see it. So it's 135 watts. Wow. And this is the charge port. It's similar like the Lenovo, if you remember. It's like the Lenovo Ideapads. Yeah. And this is the one 3-pin, and here we have the 3-port. This is the 3-port, I think, yeah. Alright, so this is the charger. This is the plastic over there. Right. And that's what's inside. And oh wow, I didn't know it has a mouse included. Okay, so it's including the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming M100 RGB mouse. Wow, I didn't know that this was included. See, look at that. Check it out. Wow, so we're going to check that out later. We'll check the performance of that later on. But we are going to open it, of course, since it is an unboxing. It looks really slick. Wow, I will have a new mouse with the new laptop. So interesting. I didn't know there was a mouse that's going to be here. See there, Lenovo M100. Looks really nice. So if you can see it on the top, you can see it there. Right? Looks cool, right? Looks awesome. I didn't know that there was going to be a mouse. Alright, so you have to be careful when you're opening, because we don't know if there's like this, there's a mouse. So we have the papers, the warranties, service support warranty. Alright, I'm happy with that. Now let's move on to the next big thing, which is this is the next big thing. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so how are we going to do this? So I have to remove the styrofoam very carefully. I don't want to damage anything. Move this again here. Oh, I love it. I love the way that they did the packing, you know. They have 2 extra here so you can remove it gently. Alright, so here we go. And this is the, wow, it looks really nice. This is the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming laptop. You see there, you see the Ideapad over there. You see the Ideapad here as well. This is the one under. I like it. The cooling, I'm going to have to check, because the Acer Aspire has 2 fans over here. Oops. But the color, I like it. It's blue. So you will see the Lenovo also right there. See the Lenovo from here. So it's really nice. And the color blue is shiny. It's glossy. It's not shiny, it's glossy. So it looks really good. Now the real thing. Here we go. Right. So now we turn this on. Open it here. Alright. Okay, so there were holes here. I didn't know that. Okay. So Ideapad Gaming. Alright. This is awesome. So it comes with the Ryzen 4000 series 7. It comes with the GTX 1650 and the AMD Radeon graphics, which is really good. Which is the RAM of this one is 16 GB, which is what I really love, because wow. So the camera also has that switch. You'll be able to see it. So there's the nozzle. Is it the nozzle or the cover for the camera? You can turn it on. You can cover it. You can. Wow. There's the microphone, even the built-in microphone. So this is the power, I'm guessing. So let's fire it up. If there is any battery. Oops, I think there's no battery. Yeah, there is no battery. But well then, let's check out the sides, which is I really find it interesting, you know. These are the sides. There's the HDMI. You also have the power port, the power plug port. You have the LAN port, the HDMI port, one USB port. There is also the USB-C port. They also have a jack, which is really nice, and they have the built-in microphone. And this is the indicator that it's turned on. On the back side, only the one we saw earlier, the Ideapad Gaming, right over here. And here on the other side is another USB port and the exhaust, which is really awesome. It has an exhaust underneath, and it has an exhaust also. I think this is for the exhaust for where the air will go out. Sorry, I'm really new to this unboxing thing. I forgot all the terms. I'm so excited to open this up. But then, alright, just give me a while and let's fire this baby up. Okay, here we go. So usually when I power on the laptop, I don't remove the the Velcro for this one. So now when it's charging, there is a okay, now I have to remove the Velcro. Alright, here we go. We have to remove the Velcro now. Alright, here's why. Alright. Now the reason I'm removing the Velcro and untangling these cables is this. I want to show you when it's charged up, when the charger is in, you will see there's a notification there. There's the light. So that's cool. That's really cool. Usually the laptops make a sound when you charge them, or usually the indicator is in the front side, but this time it's in the side. They made it really slick and clean and really nice. Alright, so we're going to turn this baby on. Here we go. Alright guys, so sorry for the delay, and let's fire this baby up. Alright, so this is the power, and there you will see the lighting of this. Oh, alright. Not much lighting, but you can see it. It's really, really nice. You see the Lenovo screen. Right now. So here you have it, guys. It's amazing. So as you can see, this is the laptop. Alright. So if I bring it, so it's going to ask you to configure, but we'll configure it later on, and we'll see how it performs later on. Alright guys, so you will see here, let me just remove it from the clip. Alright, so you will see here, this is the graphics. So don't scan that QR code. Alright, so it's with the AMD Ryzen 4000 Series 7, AMD Radeon graphics, GeForce GTX 1650. So if you are interested in knowing if it's worth, then we'll see you later on in this part of the video. Alright guys, so there you have it guys. This is the unboxing video of the Lenovo Ideapad Gaming laptop, which is really good. Ideapad Gaming. It's from Lenovo, and this is what it contains. The box, it contains the mouse, the charger, the brick, the laptop itself, and the packing is, I really love the packing when they attach these parts, you know, on the sides of the laptop. So it's really safe, which is really, really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me first time unboxing, the first unboxing video that I'm doing. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. So I'm going to do a performance review, not in too much detail, but let's see how it will perform on my next videos. So hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one. Peace.